tertúlia.
Good afternoon to you all. Today is Sunday, July 11th. The entry is 1625. It has 3 pages and 10 maxima. The name is Repairing Cycle. The subdiscipline is self-existential psychology. The repairing cycle is the methodical technical procedure of repairing and reconstruction or adjustment of specific slides committed and acknowledged by the lucid consciousness. The repairing duty, the personal repairing courage, the repairing works, the intelligence of the instantaneous repairing of the mistake, the systematic repairing of the mistakes, the public remission, the restoring of the failure, the plastic repairing surgeries, the repair of bone loss of injured people, the exclusive reparation, the personal reparation involving the evolutionary group, and the reparation of evolutionary root. We have in remissionology 15 items: the self-correction, the root correction, technical repair, and rectification. With time and the accumulation of experiences, the intraphysical consciousness increases the efficiency of the reparations and even diminishes the time used to them or the need of executing such rectifications. How do you face the personal reparations? Are they immediate or immediate? I'd like to remind you that we have the cyclogram course this week, and the course has 3 bioenergetic fields with Penta, Spiriticity, and Extraphysical Clinic. The dynamics of the Praxist guinea pig from 12 to 15. It starts tomorrow, and it takes place in Discernimento. The subscription is made in the CIEC reception. It's a partnership between CIEC, APEX, and Asimvex. I would like to tell the people from Discernimento that they should have a reception room for us to make the subscription. There should be such place. It's good for you to think about this. It's very practical. Here we have a magazine. It's called Galileo. And there is a page that deals about this subject. Your car is being wrecked. Scientists can break in the system of the cars, and they can control from the brakes to the accelerators. They will have to check the antivirus new version, and the cars are as vulnerable to hackers' attacks as our home computers. They can control the radio, the air conditioner, and even prevent the brakes to work when the car is on high speed through the engine control unit. Even with the driver tries to brake, to use the brakes, he can't. And the assemblers haven't noticed the danger of such wrecker actions. The objective of the study of these problems is to prevent people, mad people, from causing accidents, serious accidents. I always used to say that when computing enters in our lives, everything can go wrong. Here there's another magazine, super interesting, and it's about the new book. Technology will change the way we see the reading. How long the book has been written. That's how we're gonna see a book. There will be a forum, there will be room for readers to interact and send their opinion. This is what Bob Stein is saying in this article. The digital article, the digital book. Many books platforms will be connected through the internet. The book will be online. The notes that I might do in a page will be visible for everyone. There will be discussions, there will be notes read, and people will make a signature. They won't buy the book itself. Maybe the book becomes public, and people will be able to build very live communities around the subject of the book. The concept of author didn't even exist in Gutenberg's time. And with technology, we're going to have a new kind of collaboration. Group will overcome the individual. When I do this in Tertuliarium, it's the same situation. Editors, libraries, bookstores need to suffer a refurbish. The book won't disappear, won't fade away, but there will be a new model for the social reading. The question is, who would like to read with me this weekend? This is very interesting. Book won't fade away, but these news are coming. We deal with books here, and I'm always asking you, where is your book? Where is your book? So it's important for us. And in this entry, repairing cycle, there are many things to be written. I have already made some notes, and I am making another entry, the immediate restoration. For example, the act of using and arranging, the act that studying and taking notes in computer, the act of typing and saving the files. Here I talk about the instant act. It's like a continuation. It's like a consequence of this repairing cycle entry. And I have many data in my house. So this is my last questions. Are your repairings immediate, instantaneous, or are they immediate? Do you leave it for the future. You leave it to do in next lives. How is your life? It's very important for us to define what kind of organization is your consciousness. A ridiculous, shallow organization or a substantial organization. That's when repairing cycle enters. Valdo, this repairing cycle is the dynamics of that recovering phase of the evolution, right? Yes, it's for us to avoid doing the recovering. It's a prevention of en route accidents, and it's also the elimination, as I say here in this entry. You know, like a continuation. It's a more theoretical part of the subject. The subjective technique of the self-avoidance, of the tangent burr. It goes against the burr. So to add to this entry, we are going to bring this other one. This repairing cycle has relation to the self-defense, right? In this sense, could there be another dynamics in previous phases like victimization and interprison? The problem is that repairing cycle has, it can't reach only a relationship between two people, but it must reach the relation with the cosmos and how to use energies, because that's how we manifest, we behave. We are online. I would like to tell you that we are back online, okay? Well, the percentage of the determination of previous cycles, of previous phases, are very lower than the free will, right? Yeah, when you start making immediate corrections, you amplify yourself with your free will, because you enter the cosmos flow. You walk on the right way. From your point of view, would it be good for the person to balance assistance and its own repairing cycle? No, assistance is always in this basis, but balance assistance to other people and assistance to oneself. This is self-assistance. This is what I call the maximum cognition. The matter of becoming lucid, knowing priority, maintaining holomateriology, and discarding the emotionalism, the commotion. So when we talk about assistance, one of the best assistances we can do is to repair our mistakes in a shorter time. Yeah, we should understand all this and see the advantages, so we can start organizing and imprinting this organization in our behavior, in our conduct. But people in general are, I'm telling among us, okay? Everybody has many skills, is in a comfort zone, there is information galore, and this is a problem in the end. Valdo, give me an example of a reparation of a mistake from other life that you don't have You can't reach the involved people. The reparation is to make a counter fact of that previous mistake, no matter to whom or how. One should make like a rescue or a balance or counterbalance of the previous life's mistake. When you correct a mistake, you will avoid making it again. You have seen the cause, you have seen the price you have paid for doing such mistake. So it's very important for us to face the fact. The problem is the sanization. We never stop thinking. If we don't have discipline regarding our thoughts and our sanity, what I say here is useless. So, consciential hygiene is previous to what we are saying here. When I talk about consciential hygiene, it's not exactly mental one. The mental hygiene is related to the brain. But I'm talking here about the hygiene when, even if you are in this coincidence, or even if you enter some daydreaming or a nightmare, you are able to organize your nightmare. You rectify, you balance those wrong circumstances. You see that that is wrong, and you start rationating correctly within your capacity of reasoning. This is very serious. That's why I always talk about these details, these correction and incorrection actions. Here, self-existential recycling is in general. The main problem is the inner recycling. Valdo, this self-repairing, is this self-repairing always phasanic? No, sometimes it's physical. But the base is for you to dip the roots, the trigger of the fact is the universe, the micro-universe. Or this may be always phasanic, I don't know. Yeah, the broader is, the deeper the root in the consciousness. But all the repairing can be done immediately. It depends. If you start studying the details, the very tiny issues, you can better everything. I can foresee many things since I was an adolescent because of the intimate procedures in my house. I was talking to you before sometime. When I go to the bathroom, what is my goal? Okay, I want to check something in my eye, so I need a mirror. Am I wearing shoes or slippers? Am I on my pajamas or in normal clothing? Sometimes when you are in your pajamas, you relax, you feel free. So the procedures are different from pajamas and normal clothing. If you're on your slippers, it's different from you wearing your shoes. So instead of wearing the slippers, you wear your shoes. You need to think about your right and your left foot. If you're not mad studying this, Yeah, because there are people who can't stand studying oneself. But, okay, if you come to this point, there will be nothing left. You clarify everything and you make what we call dissection. The dissection of the act, the ethological dissection, the behavior dissection, the way you behave, you manifest, you conduct. You see that there are things you must do, at least 4 procedures during the whole act. But if you are organized, this number of procedures decreases. You cut some excessive procedures, or let's say that are secondary. They are not relevant. If anyone of you feel like, do this experience. If you go to your houses and watch TV, take a look at what's going to happen. For example, you sit somewhere in a sofa and the telephone rings while you are watching TV. How many procedures do you need to go, answer the phone, and come back? You will see many stupidities you do in your life. And maybe next week, if you take it seriously, you will start thinking, or you start even Thosanizing about your own Thosanization. For example, oh, I thought about that, but why was I thinking about that? It was not related to what I was doing. Why? Why did I let this interfere, impact? Was this exanthosin generated by myself? This is wrong. This is self-intrusion. So, you see, the person starts analyzing the minimum self-intrusions one makes with itself. It's impressive. What I'm saying here seems to be a joke. First of all, it's not a joke. It's not easy to be done. It looks like it's very easy, but it's not. If you're writing books, you should do this. You know why? To better your ability of investigation, research, experimentology, and recording of your own ideas. Well, these small repairings from day to day, it seems to lead you to big repairings, right? No, let me show you one thing. Okay? Let's say that I have arrived here and I brought all my documents. I have these files, these folders. Okay, I get there, I separate, some are here and others go with me. And someday I come here and I see that I need to give this person something. So I started counting how many manifestations or procedures I needed to do to come here and go back to my house. So I came here to the Tertulianum, but when I left, I didn't lock the door. I reduced one procedure. Okay, you understand? That's how I thought. So I measured where everything was. And I have many papers in my house, in different places. At least 4 sites in my house. So I knew that document was in a specific place. You know how many minutes it took me to go and back from my house? 4 minutes. I got the document and I came back here. And I took note. seeing my watch. Conclusion, I am a Thessanic machine. Right? I am an automatic consciousness based on my own will. Nobody is telling me to do this. I am telling myself. And I am using a fine comb to deal with everything. That's the dissection. When you chop things in thin slices and put it in the microscope. Vivaldo, when you do the encyclopedia, you do the encyclopedia seeing many details, right? Yeah, I do this all the time. Yesterday there was a problem with a word, with an accent. I take it for granted because every week there are corrections to be done. So in my computer I put page 1 and I write all the mistakes. And I don't make review. They do the review. Antonio tells me it's impressive what I am able to do because there should be more time. There should be more mistakes. I mean, people make more mistakes than me. And many of the errors that people tell me here are already corrected when I go back to my office. Everything is led to the rational process of accumulation of information. Everything in life is a matter of data collection. If you're working with any idea that's too simple, there must be something wrong. It lacks something. If your idea is thin, it's wrong. Professor, could you elaborate on this theme, this immediate restoration and the ant burr within a group? Within a group, there's no problem. Be it a group, inside, outside, an animal, the nature. The problem is to see logics, priority, and rationalization. This work you do here, could it be a repairing work? Here, you're giving us these classes. When I send a message, the transmission of the communication is the clarification task. Okay? It's an information. In this sense here, it's related to the clarification task. Both entries here that I bought, and even the articles I brought in the magazines, all a matter of information. I guarantee, I assure that among you, many people didn't know about this. You see, I see everything as very serious things we should know. So this is something that I have been doing immediately, an ongoing repairing. And I have created my paradigm for the conduct. There is a pattern in my behavior, a technique. That's how I am. And most of people are not like this. So in Minas Gerais, you see, they said that people like me were called systematic. But it's no big deal. People from Minas Gerais were rude systematics. What I want here is the refined systematic. Life will be intellectualized. Life will be, let's say, reasonable. I would be researcher of the cosmos everywhere. Do you see why my observations come before other people, and people think that I am too much intelligence? No, it's not only parapsychism. I am used to observing things. The same happened to the fruit I was talking about, the kiwi. And I told Roberto, for me there are 4 kinds of kiwi. And he told me, oh, Valdo, you were right. I didn't know that. And he brought to me, there are at least 4 types of kiwi. This way, I try to behave regarding everything. And there is also another hand, the other hand. There are things that I don't care about. For me to focus, not to waste time, to not waste time with insignificant things. I check the details, but release the secondary. You don't see me worried about things like the computers. I don't deal with everything in the computer. I deal with my interests, what's important. Just imagine when you start reasoning the way I am telling you. Imagine how your life could be. Every new idea shows and you're interested in it and you want to collect and you start gathering it. If your memory helps you, you can reach a lot of ideas. If I am tired, I just take note of that new idea and I look for it later. Otherwise, I will demand too much from my memory. Tonight there was a lot of noise and people had this very high volume with the music, so I needed to stop. It was like the African drums.
It was just like Ipanema when they have the carnival. It was the same this night. It was 3:25 in the morning when I woke up. I don't know what side it comes from. Yeah, it's to the other side. I perceived that. But see, so everything is affects my work. So Graça came in the morning. I was working my computer when she came. She came by bus. She was supposed to come She came by plane. She was supposed to come by plane, but she didn't. The driver was very good, she told me.
Então eu poderia inferir. Desculpa, Malu. É que esses dois temas, tanto o ciclo reparatório quanto esse autorrestauração, poderia ser os princípios da restaurabilidade grupocármica?
Are these cycles related to the repairing of the grupokarma? It's a process of self-discernimentology. Here in this entry, which is even more advanced, the information that we have here in generally are the permanent self-correction, continuous rectification, the instantaneous restoration, the continuous right, the concomitant action, the immediate adjustment. You have to see what is the megafocus. What are the themes related to that? Self-disciplination, self-discernimentology, introphysiology, paraethology, organizationology, balanceology, holometeorology, self-coherenceology, and what is the most difficult thing is to be coherent. And the last one is self-priorologic. So it affects the immediate self-recovery, the continuous repairing. It's now and here and now. Theoretical, it's the prevention of the immediate. Is it possible for you to understand that? It's preventive prevention. You can make a prevention after you had a lot of mistakes. And you have to anticipate the mistake and prevent it. This previous prevention is even more better than the previous one. I don't know if I'm making myself clear. But I'm going to repeat the specific technique, anti-burr. Think about it. It's a specific technique, anti-burr. If we think in this way, all the situation is going to change. Everything gets better. But now, if you want to get all those things right, follow this criteria and this technique, and you are going to make less mistake. And you also are going to feel more secured. If you want to evolve even faster with your parapsychism, do this. Why? Because you are going to make less mistakes and the helpers are going to trust you more. They are not going to waste time with you. So they are going to gain opportunities by working with you. You are going to be tuned. If you are not tuned, it's time to do it. For those who have not the antenna, it's time to get some. I would give you two, one for the left and one for the right. It's a way. A question here. In terms of recovering past mistakes, the law of retaliation has no value. Not always the reparation is equivalent to mistake. Is the assistance the best way to get things better? Yes. Why is necessary the courage in the personal reparation? Well, the person sometimes must have courage to face herself in order to show the proud, the vain, the public image. The person has to defend herself. Another question, the vibrational state technique can expose the person to the intruders? Yes, everyone is exposed to the intruders. Everyone is exposed to the intruders. But without vibrational state, the situation is worse. I'm asking you because I'm having headache and weird thoughts, but I'm not sure if it's an intruder because I can't see him. So the vibrational state is going to balance your energies. So you get a balance with that. It's a balance of your chakras. Another question, I am an engineer,
Estou para apresentar uma proposta de mestrado com base de pesquisa em
performing a work on strategy and innovation. How can I use the conscientiology concepts in my work? How to count with the cosmoethical concept, for example, in my work? You have to see everything related to the Verpon. We have a wide range of entries related to this subject. Today we are in the 1,625 entry. It's good for you to take all the entries and take a look. So if you have a business proposal, it's good for you to take a look at those entries. Another question. I'm going to be in Foz do Iguaçu next week in a friend's house, and she's not a penta practitioner. Can I do my painting in her house? Yes, you can help her a lot. The extra-physicals as André Luiz and Joana de Angelo are lucid. It varies, the lucidity varies a lot in terms of percentage. If the person is related to a religion, it means that this person has a minimum lucidity. So if you think about that, you are going to get your own conclusions.
Escuta, nós estamos aqui com a nossa professora Joana,
we have here
que é a secretária de Educação do município de Foz do Iguaçu.
The Secretary of Education.
Parece que ela está por aqui.
It's
gente, umas palmadas para ela.
Let's clap our hands.
Ela é fora de série.
She is extraordinary.
A Joana tem feito muito esforço, você sabe. O processo meu é de educação.
Doing a lot of effort in our work, our process. We are all related to education
Mas
here.
Eu falei, nós vamos transformar essa
So when I came here for the first time, I told everybody that we would transform this city in another thing.
Até alguma coisa. Agora veja, a faculdade primeira mais séria que foi feita aqui,
that we made here was CIEC. So it's our process, the process of Campus CIEC. We have a university here. Remember our friend for Curitiba who wanted to found something with the education ministry. I did in that time I didn't agree with him, but now we are working with those things with Joana. Here we have already, here in Foz do Iguaçu we have already an example in terms of education. We are a benchmark for the whole state. So they are evaluating the health and education areas. So our mayor is making a major efforts to work in both areas, education and health. Another question, when I see pictures from all over the world, I can smell the places. I can feel the smelling. When I see, for example, on the internet, websites on SAPs, I can also perceive the bad smell. Well, there are people who are like this. The sensibility sometimes is real. But in this case, we have examined calmly in terms of projection, for example. It's always involves process of this
brasileiros internacionais de renome pesquisam há décadas sobre o fenômeno da abdução. Uns colocam a hipótese desse fenômeno acontecer na dimensão intrafísica, outros consideram acontecer na dimensão extrafísica. O que o professor pensa sobre a temática? Qual a sua experiência pessoal nessa área de pesquisa? Não, o que eu vejo é o seguinte.
The subject, what I see is that ufology
de fantasia e imaginação,
97% of imagination and 3% of reality.
É isso que estão tentando agora estudar.
But what I think it's really serious is what they are studying nowadays, which is the gravitational force.
Tanto intrafísico como extrafísico.
So this study can explain a lot of things.
Mais ou menos meio século, me perguntou, Valdo,
50 years ago, for example, I had a friend who asked me about.
Naquela ocasião, o cara falava, né? A espiritualidade,
ou
seja,
he asked me about what would connect the extraphysical and the intraphysical reality, and I told him at that time that
o que pode ajudar é o dia que o homem, vamos dizer, conseguir dominar um pouco a força gravitacional.
Could dominate the gravitational force. That would be the time to explain that. But in terms of the extraterrestrial vehicles, everything indicates that there is a process of gravitation. If the person could overcome the gravitation, everything is going to be instantaneous. It's going to be a dematerialization. And in that time, we could explain these abductions. But talking specifically about abduction, there is a lady
20, 30 anos aí, umas 3 décadas aí para trás,
que eu about 3 decades ago, I examined this lady before some facts in terms of energy, and after that, she came back. She came back and told me that she was abducted and explained me everything, and I examined her again with the Voltec R, and I really found out that she was different. Her energy was
num perímetro de 4,5 metros.
Big. She had an energy of 4 meters.
Aonde ela aparecia.
Of energy, a perimeter of 4 meters. And I told her that would decrease.
Fluxo de energia que
she received
esse processo do bloqueio
a bunch of energy.
Ela recebeu uma coisa tipo Itaipu, né?
She received something like Itaipu Dam,
agora, que se passa?
A wholesale condition
então
in terms of energy.
Ela
so she left, she used it to play piano, and she used to give concerts.
Ela esteve até no Japão.
She went even to Japan, playing piano.
Agora, quando ela voltou, eu fui olhar. Então, vocês vejam bem, eu olhei 3 vezes.
I examined her again,
tudo na cabeça dela. Você notava que tinha energia,
the energy was over.
Os 4,5 metros tinham desaparecido.
So the 4 meters had disappeared.
Muitas das pessoas que a ABRAP, a Associação Brasileira
so I examined her in 3 different times.
Para examinar lá em Ipanema,
and there were a lot of people that the people from
reclamava negócio de abdução, o processo
parapsychology. They took me people there to be examined.
Estranha,
and
como se fosse um corpo estranho, alguma coisa diferente.
The people who used to say that they were abducted, they had something strange in terms of energy.
Então ele chegou lá, nós colocamos energia e o tal mal colocou de novo
energia. There was a guy, for example, who came
até o ombro. E ele sentia aquilo tudo.
Came and
então ele viu que ele estava pelado. Não, eu estou me sentindo que eu estou nu.
In specific work with Tal Mal,
tá com roupa. Não,
with him, and the guy felt himself
então, veja,
naked.
Ele se sentia aleijado.
he was
ele se sentia
feeling
mutilado, seu processo de energia. E aquilo ele pegou no Nordeste e foi para o Rio para poder examinar, porque ele estava ficando doido.
Because of that energy, that weird energy that they
então, por
put
exemplo,
in
a minha
him.
prova
For
do
example,
processo
my proof
da
of the process
ufologia,
in terms
ela
of
se baseia na
ufology is
psicosfera das
based
pessoas.
on the examination
Agora,
of this
é lógico que eu vi, né?
people's
Tem aquele
psychosphere.
caso meu que eu estava lá em Ipanema.
But it's logical. I also had my own experience, and I was out of my body. Then there was something flying over the slam, and I was like, "What? What is this? There's something different." And the helper told me, go back to your body, and when you are in the physical condition, take a look to the slam again. And then I came back, and then I took a look again.
Sabe, o morro lá do Cantagalo.
So it was the Cantagalo slam.
Assim, ó, eu vi bem claro,
and then I could see the lights and the thing did movements like this and disappeared. And then I went out for a walk. I went to the newsman and met some guys. And I was like asking the guys, oh wow, do you have something new here?
Aí cara, na hora que eu estava na Pirajá, passando para Copacabana, cara falou assim, não, Pedro, sim. Eu vi disco
in my way to Copacabana, and I met a guy who saw the same thing at the same time that I did. So there was something in there, but it was the only one that I saw. The guy was close to a nightclub. Do you remember? There was a nightclub with a big sign at the end of the Visconde do Pirajá. Well, I went there and I started asking everyone about the flying saucer. And this guy saw.
Era mais ou menos meia-noite e
35
minutos da madrugada.
12:30 in the morning when I saw, and the guy saw the same thing at the same time.
Agora, outra coisa.
That's why I think there is something.
Tem uma projeção, na época eu estava fazendo muita projeção, na década de 70.
You know, in the 70s I was projecting a lot. I was in this apartment in the Visconde do Pirajá, and I was very worried about a man. I was working with him in terms of energy. He was a very good guy. You know, I knew that the problem of this guy would be something related to energy. He could get better just changing the energies. I was very worried about him, and then I went to the bed. I relaxed, and in some minutes, I perceived myself out of the body. Something was pulling me by my back, and then I got out of the body, got out of the bedroom, the neighborhood, and everything disappeared. And then I perceived myself entering a place like a big bus. There were people there talking. I could not notice anything new, but I was walking there. There was a lady who came up to me and she told me to not be worried about the guy I was helping, and she told me also to take a look to the environment. I examined everything, and then I saw. Suddenly I came back to the body because I felt like doing it, and I started thinking about it. So that means that there is an extraphysical process that we don't know what it is. And there is something.
Por exemplo, por estado vibracional vindo de fora.
So if a vibrational state comes from an external source can make dematerialization. So it's easier to deal with that if the person is discoincident.
Uma pessoa física é muito mais difícil de mexer.
If someone physical,
que é muito
it's
assim,
even hard to deal with that.
Essa é muito difícil de entrar nisso.
For those who have no sensibility, it's hard to deal with that.
Eu penso que eles têm dificuldade de mexer com isso.
I think they have difficulties to deal with that, but the person is more discoincident. They work better with this person. It's a 50-50% of effort.
E você joga o processo extrafísico. Você encontra no meio o negócio dá certo.
They make their part, and you, by getting this coincidence, make your part, and we have a 50-50 condition.
Então é preciso da gente ainda verificar isso.
It's necessary to verify that. And the ectoplasmy has a specific role in this situation. Yes, everything is related to ectoplasm.
For example,
something really serious is the piano player that I examined.
Eu vi a senhora 3 vezes. Durante 4
years, I saw her 3 times during 4 years.
Só com ela. Mas
and then I saw the process was personal, was just with her.
Agora, veja bem, aquela energia.
That energy from the beginning was.
É difícil de expor isso.
It's hard to explain that.
A pessoa fica mais lúcida.
The person gets a little bit more lucid within this area.
Mais inteligente.
So the person became more intelligent.
Que você está preocupado naquele dia.
It depends on what you are interested in, or you are worried in the specific day.
É isso que a gente percebe.
That's what I could perceive in her case.
Isso eu nunca pude verificar.
Do you think that there is something related to the centers, the extraphysical centers?
Não. Diretamente não tem nada a ver com a central.
No, there is nothing to do, in my opinion, with the center, but they know each other. The group from the extraphysical centers know about the group from the abduction, but we have here 2 different departments.
Eu não vi nada.
I haven't seen the joint of those things so far, but I admit everything.
Físico de xamã, essas coisas
in the same way that I admit the process of shaman and the kahunas.
Por exemplo, da redução de uma fratura.
So the fracture readjustment.
Exteriorização de energia.
The process of the exteriorization of energy.
Regeneração de tecido.
The tissue regeneration. I think everything is related to the same process.
Outra coisa. Eu não posso desmerecer a realidade disso devido ao processo.
Dismiss the reality because of the process of the monja. Sometimes she, just by doing this gesture, everything used to get better. The environment, a little children, a little child. It was a blast of energy. Sometimes on TV they show the process of cartoon. Well, when they put like a color, and for example a yellow, and everything gets yellow, it's something like that. And the process was just like that without calling any attention. It was very elegant. I don't know if the right word is elegance. It was within a natural condition.
Reclamar, nem retificar.
We cannot
então é absurdo isso.
Correct anything. It was really extraordinary. It was really refined. I could see that when she was a person, an interphysical person, but
eu nunca vi, né? Aquilo que eu falo. Eu acho.
But I haven't seen anything like that. If there there's going to be a day that a spaceship is going to land in the Peace Square. We got to ask if there is a Sereníssimos in there. And I don't think there's going to be. Professor, I would like you to explain better the domination of gravitation, helping the abduction and everything.
O problema todo é que a gravitação é
The
uma das
gravitation
forças
is
básicas
the
que tem por
basic
aí. Você sabe que tem várias
forces
forças. A gravitação está no
of
meio disso.
the intraphysical
Por quê?
world. The gravitation
Se essa
is
força
related to that.
desaparecesse de uma hora
If
para
this
outra, tinha
force
caos.
disappears,
O
it's
universo
going to
físico
be
ia
a
desaparecer.
chaos.
Então o equilíbrio de tudo está nisso.
Chaos.
Não é o processo, por exemplo, o eixo de gravitação da Terra.
It's
que é
not a
importante.
process of
É a força
the
gravitacional que está sustentando
gravitation
esses
of
laços
the
todos.
Earth, but the
Então,
gravitational
isso aí,
force which
se
are
existe,
sustaining of everything.
Alguma coisa de outro planeta que está vindo até
If
a
there's
gente
something
e
from
que
another
não
planet
asteroide,
that comes
tem
to our
que ter a
direction,
força gravitacional nessa
has
história.
to
Já houve
have
um
the
domínio
gravitational
dessa
force.
gravitação.
This
A pessoa sair
object
dessa.
dominates
E outra
this
coisa, não é só a
gravitation.
queda da maçã, não.
It's not the following
O
of
negócio
the
é
apple,
sério.
it's something really
Então, precisa da
serious.
gente entrar
So
nos
what we need
detalhes da
to get into the
estrutura
details of
dessa
the structure
energia
of this gravitational
Como é que isso
energy.
funciona?
How does it work?
Agora veja, até que
But
ponto, por exemplo,
see-
que a energia gravitacional seria a energia imanente um pouquinho já mais óbvia?
I don't know.
A gente não sabe.
The point
Bom,
that makes
na
the difference
definologia,
between the
Você
gravitational
coloca
energy
que o ciclo
and the
reparatório
immanent
é da
energy.
consciência lúcida, a partir da
Although
consciência.
here we talk about
Quando
in the
acontece
phenology,
isso,
in
a
the
consciência,
lucid consciousness,
ela percebe no
when
período
it
intermissivo
happens with the
que nome
extra-physical
se daria?
consciousness,
Daria
in
o
the
mesmo nome,
intermissive
ciclo
period.
reparatório, ou teria uma outra,
Do
uma
you
outra
give
condição?
the same name for that repairing cycle,
Problema de ser
or
muito, né? O
is
problema é você
another
passar
condition?
A manifestação como ela ocorre.
Well,
Então,
it's
isso
a
é
semantic
isso aqui é-
issue.
Aí é tecnologia, nomenclatura.
Essa reparação,
It's
ela
just a matter of
uma
changing
vez
names.
que a consciência estaria lúcida
Once
para
the
o erro,
extra-physical
para o conceito
is
desse
lucid
erro.
for
Isso
the
entraria numa
mistakes,
cláusula da PROEX?
could this enter in a
Esse conceito.
praxis clause?
Agora, ó, Marcelo, a hora que
Marcelo,
eu falei consciência lúcida,
By the time that
é
I
que eu não
told you
confio
about
na consciência
the lucid consciousness is
Você entende?
because I
Na
don't
Na
trust
consciência
in
lúcida, a gente
the
já começa a confiar.
non-lucid
Eu nasci em Minas
consciousness.
Gerais.
I was born in Minas
Eu faço
Gerais.
pesquisa de tudo.
I make
Tudo é
research
possível.
of
Olha só
everything.
esse
Everything is
jogador.
possible.
Na televisão o povo está
Look,
tudo
this
lá. Perplexo
footballer
e, vamos
on
dizer,
TV.
astonished.
Everyone
E
is
com cara de
astonished
passagem.
looking
Como é que é
at
possível
this
um ídolo
situation.
desse
How
jeito?
can an idol
Homem que
like
tá com
this, a
tudo.
man with
O chefe do
fame
time,
and everything,
ele
he
é
is
o
the boss
cacique
of
do
the
time.
team.
É o chamado capitão, pois é o cacique do
So
time.
he is the captain of
E
his
com essa
team,
situação,
and
Agora
he is
veja.
involved in this situation.
isso é uma coisa.
So it's
Uma pessoa
something,
que é o ídolo.
you know,
Agora veja,
he's
isso aí
an
é aquilo
idol.
do mito. Agora é a
It's
hora
when
da
I
queda do mito.
when I say-
Lembra
when I
o negócio
tell
que
you
aconteceu
about the
conosco?
myth.
Ele fala assim, não, nós não podemos ir contra o Chico Xavier, que é um mito.
I always
Agora,
say
contra
that we
você, não
cannot
pode,
go
você não é tão
against
conhecido.
the
Nós vamos fazer
Chico
uma
Xavier because
tempestade
he is a
publicitária
myth.
sobre a sua pessoa.
But the helper
Então,
told me
veja,
that it's possible
aí a
with me, for
tempestade
example.
publicitária agora
When
sobre
we
o
do the
jogador,
advertisement
de um ponto de vista
on
negativo,
TV,
e pelo
but
que a gente está vendo,
in this case of
irretocável.
this
Isso aí
footballer is
acabou.
very
Afundou a
negative.
pessoa
He is
definitivamente.
destroyed,
Você
definitely
entende?
destroyed.
Então, vamos
So
entender
let's
como o processo
understand
da
how the
consciência lúcida
process of the lucid
já é uma grande personalidade.
consciousness is
Entende?
something
Que eu acho que são
big.
vocês. Entendeu?
So I think the
Eu acho que
lucid
são
people
grandes
are
consciências,
you
uma grande
guys.
personalidade.
You have great
São os
personality.
lúcidos.
You are lucid
Porque
because
aquele que não tem lucidez
for those
é
who
muito difícil.
doesn't,
Ele
for
começa a
tho-
debater
those who
essas
don't
coisas e fica
have
tudo nisso. E às
lucidity
vezes
and
arranja uma condição
the
fanática
person
que ele
gets
não arreda.
a
Então ele fica
fanatic
inerte
condition and
dentro
the
de um
person
processo
doesn't
que não
change.
leva a nada. Não há melhoria.
He doesn't get
problema.
right, better in any.
In mega euphorization from last Thursday, a participant said that his teeth were shivering. I felt the same sensation 3 times, and I need to leave my mouth open to feel more comfortable. What does it mean? And also the sensation of cold during the energy work. Shivering teeth is a hell process. It's from the barathosphere. You see, he did this movement. It's the shivering of the teeth. There are people that shiver their teeth when they sleep. Today we call it bruxism. So what happens in this condition? In terms of energy, it's something different, okay? When there is energy on one's head and it looks like there is this explosion and the top of the head is out, regarding the intracranial nerves, everything is mixed. There is a tension. So the first articulation there is in our head is our jaw. The monkey jaw, you see? The monkey process. I have studied this a lot because of the mouth surgeries, all these articulations here in each side. This is what moves. When energy is very strong, it impacts exactly in this articulation, closer to your brain. There are other articulations on your shoulders, your head, neck. But this one is more serious. This shows that the one who had been through this process is in high level of encephalic or brain parapsychical development of the energies. This is moving a lot. Both the one that participated here in CAEG as well as the one who is sending this question are very improved. It's just like paresthesia, like arrhythmia. Everything is the same context, you see? Other thing, the ballonment. The ballonment, when you feel like blowing, you see? And amplifying your body, your physical body. In a tertulia in 2008, you said that you had visited New York library. Do you have any conclusion about the Eastern books? Have you seen any interesting book there? I was looking for some news, but in general, he told me that in all those shelters, there was nothing important for me. So he invited me to go to his office, and when I entered his office, there really were many rare books. But I had never seen anything that I didn't know yet. There was also a book that I knew, and I bought one just like that in London the year before, and it was very rare. All these books are here in Holoteca. In his case, the Eastern process was taken for granted. But he was not stupid. He knew about Hippolyte, the birthmark, its subtlety. even for those who study a lot, who are very technical researchers. And he saw me, he talked to me, but he didn't see my birthmark. So how could he know that? And he didn't say about the wrong arm. He went straight to the left arm. And you feel like dizzy. I imagine what level of lucidity this man had. Who was this old man? Could he be an evolutionologist? It's possible. I wanted to get in touch later, but they had closed the library, the bookstore. And they took me there, my friends took me there, because I always see people in the end. They tell me to visit these people before they decimate. They tell me, go find your books, because this person is going to die. It happened in Uberaba, it happened in Italy, it happened in New York. That was the time. I couldn't live for tomorrow, for the day after. Valdo, in page 23, theoryology, could you explain about the theory of coherence? This theory is related to the person that needs to gather all the contexts, all the models of manifestation, and to make a convergence. Pay attention, okay? In the proxemic and in chronemics. That's what we call theory of the coherence. Whatever you intend to do needs to be coherent to what you have done before and to what you're going to do in the future, in all levels. Space and time. You are in the physics continuum. There's no way out. And this is not the worst. Think about the para-chronology and the multi-dimensions. So coherence from the parapsychism point of view is even worse. It demands even 90% more. But with the theory of the coherence, you reach the helper, the evolutionologist, and the Serenissimus faster. And without coherence, you will never reach these people. You always ask me, and there are many people astonished about this, but how does the evolutionologist know about this? What's going to happen? One of the techniques is the theory of the coherence. Everyone here has a certain level of coherence. He, the evolutionologist, knows this level, and he knows that his or her breath limit in this issue is this. The person can't give more, and he can't ask for more. So is it related to the formulation of praxis when he's helping to determine everything? Yeah, everything. Now pay attention, when I value the details, the circumstances, and people think that I am crazy, or even when I don't give a damn what they think, and they also think I'm crazy, and when there was this guy that came to me and said, oh, you came here to Foz do Iguaçu, you are like a hurricane, and we think there are many things that are very difficult to be done. I didn't say I was going to do next month, but the next years. Yeah, but Mr. Valdo, you told us that you need $3 million to start. Do you have this money? I told them, no, but I have friends that have this money. It was in 1995.
Então veja bem, isso é coerência.
This is coherence.
Então veja, essa coerência de expor
and this coherence of showing this fact doesn't worry me. Just the same way I'm not worried about Orkut or blogs and all this stuff. And I'm not worried when people don't want to understand what we're doing. You just leave it. You just respect people's positioning. They have the right to do this. But this theory of the coherence is the convergence. Yeah, the convergence or the confluence or the coherence leads people to the antipody of the super and the deficitary emission. You counterbalance your emissions. You know when you need to stop doing something or you need to start doing something. And there were many people that saw what I did, and 3 years later they told me, "Oh, but Valdo, you are against your own ideas from the past." And I told him, no, let's check the context. So I put in a paper and I showed my ideas and I argued, because when you are living, you are coexisting with the same people, and when the person doesn't have a refinement, doesn't deepen the knowledge, everything seems the same, and that's what happened. But when I showed my ideas, she knew I was right. But Valdo, in Cognopolis, what hampers the development of the coherence? I think that facilitate the bonanza, the comfort zone. The abundance. We are living in a time with many information. Valdo, in letter B, in parafactology, could you talk about psychosomatic repairing plastic surgery? Yeah, it is when you start having lucidity and you have done the intermissive course, you start repairing all your mistakes from previous lives. This way you discard all the scars related to wrong things you did and were marking your psychosoma. All these scars disappear by means of the recomposition, the reconstruction of one's life. So you make pieces with your evolutionary group elements. Group karma interpretation finishes. It comes to a point when you can develop your parapsychism in such a way that even your psychosoma changes. So there is the eruption of the psychosoma. During the vigil life, the awakening, the awakening period, and when you used to be completely thick-layered with energies, you change and you start improving your parapsychism. Letter A, Professor, in page 24, trinomiology, I would like to understand what is the omnicorrection. Second line.
Trinomiologia.
Trinomiology.
O trinômio autocorreção,
trinomial self-correction, heterocorrection, and omnicorrection. It happens when one recognizes that you had made a mistake. But if that mistake reached another person, so The first guy needs to enter a pacification process regarding that other consciousness. But it also involves the whole group they are inserted. And this omnicorrection reaches the whole group, the interprison. For example, there are people who have difficulty to recover from the group karmic interprison because the problem that needs to be repaired is not only based on one person, but 3, 5, 15 people. So it's more complex. If you become public, it is very dangerous for you regarding your destiny. That's why Serenissimus has two advantages. He uses his Serenismology to do assistance, and there is no way he makes mistake, and he's not showing any of his actions. I am a public person. It gives me a lot of problems. And when I say I am a guinea pig and I talk about myself, they say, oh, you talk too much about yourself. If I talk about myself, it means that I have boldness. I have the courage to do so. But it always works. The book, for example, works as a repairing cycle. It's like a document. It's apologizing document. That's why it's worth to write the book. Valdo, you said you were talking about the immediate restoration, and you talk about the consensual hygiene. Do you think there is, or there are some concepts within consensual hygiene like linearity, will, discernment, that are related to each person? So the hygiene is prioritary in that sense. Well, each person has a need, has tendencies, has a different style. So you should adapt. There are people, Eduardo, that I think that for them pride is more serious than the misery problem. I have seen this in Minas Gerais. I've seen miserable people that they didn't care about that. And they even liked to be called miserable people. So how do you deal with this? You just forget this person. Yeah, they like the mega weak trait. And they had all the other names related to that weak trait. So he used to ask me, is this misery thing the same as those who don't like to spend money and they just keep all the money for themselves? Yeah, and they told me all those names they were called. So it was the perfect profile. So think about this, okay? So there is a coherence within its pathology. Yeah, about another thing regarding consensual hygiene and will. So before making the vibrational state, one needs to want to do the vibrational state. Is this will process or this perception possible to come before other concepts like intention? A person can arrange the attributes in the way one wants. Okay, you can even leave the consecutive normal way. Everything can happen. You can even put the horse before the cart before the horses. But the biggest mistake is the lack of coherence. When you start talking and you haven't done anything like that. If we talk about things we haven't done, we are talking about projects or even anti-projects. But if you talk about something that is settled or established and you haven't done that, it's just like Brazil's administration. The works are just in the start and they make the inauguration. The works is just in progress. This week we had the Carta Capital, and Carta Capital newspaper had an article showing that they are for the candidate called Dilma for the presidency of Brazil. In Europe, it's very common for newspapers to declare, to state their positioning. But in Brazil, we don't see the same happening. It's a pity. Emílio Carta is from the Carta Capital, but he's defending Dilma's candidate. At least he shows he's coherent. He was for Lula's administration for a long time. Anyone could see, but he hadn't made such a statement like he did this week. I'm just telling you that this is different. This is the first time I have seen such a fact in the last decades in Brazil.
Agora, eles jogam com tudo que pode. Agora, é preciso saber no Carta Capital.
In Carta Capital newspaper, we could know how much money they have invested in this newspaper, right? We just make some hypotheses. Question: when I exteriorize energy to a consciousness, does it know that it's me? Yes or no? Well, it depends on the level of acuity or hyperacuity and the parapsychism of the consciousness. By putting the name of the consciousnesses in my pentaprats, do they appear there? Well, do penta and you will see what happens. Considering that physics uses the name field for every kind of force they can't determine exactly, could we infer there is the possibility of this gravitation process to be related to a Pacenic coordination of most advanced energies and consciousnesses structuring it? Yes, this is an hypothesis. But it's all settled, okay? You don't need to follow up. You don't need to have a follow-up. Several times I could see in a projection way many huge spacecraft like flying saucers. You have commented about this paratransportation, and I have experienced a kind of technology that makes me this coincidence and pulls me with great speed through another tube somewhere else. Well, you are in a process that I call energetic flow or energetic chain. Many times there were parasurgeries. So what's the meaning? What's the reason I can't see clearly all these episodes? Well, the problem is for you to make a projection and locate where this energetic chains happen to establish a difference between this and extraterrestrial ships. Something good is for you to take advantage of carnival, like the big cities. You could go to some darker places from this megalopolis and visit. And when you, all of a sudden you see you are just split, you are thrown away from the center of the town. And you just stumble. It's not everything organized. There is a huge energy that throws you away. Just like there was a trail, energetic trail, different from human trails. Well, regarding the coherence, what's the tip for us to increase our coherence? Well, first of all, one should use the Thocenity. The best would be the 5 hours reflection technique. So you might ask me, what will I think about during these 5 hours? Exactly about the lack of coherence. For example, in this technique, you sit down and you see that we are starting July, okay? So how incoherent was I during the past 6 months? And use the maximum of intelligence that one has reached this moment, okay? And you make an inventory with lots of self-critique all the time. Valdo, up to what point analogic Thocenization can help us? Well, if you use analogical Thocenity, you will increase your cosmovision, because if your Thocenity is too little, too specific, too departmentalized, you make a restriction of Thocenization. You need to see the focus. Does your research have arms joining other subjects? Valdo, that's what I was going to ask. In the search for this survey, we should confront our cosmoethic codes and all our attributes. Yeah, when I bring these themes that are apparently common, and when I start explaining and you see they're not so common, you see that I am difficult. I am complex. I'm a complex person. All of you are difficult. But in my case, my difficulty helps me. Most of your difficulties worsen you.
What I want is just to change. I want you to change your difficulty and make it useful, and get rid of the difficulties that are not useful. They are useless, which are the self-mimesis. So, what you said about the minutes, the details, without self-discernment would be obsessive-compulsive syndrome, isn't it? Yeah, we have a monkey as an example. He has a lot of reason in a lot of things. What is his problem is that he doesn't connect things. He doesn't have a cosmovision. He just sees one thing. But the base that he has is very useful, is good. Another thing is that these movies they show that the man, he solves the problem. Doesn't matter the way. He knows how to do the application. But what I want is that the monkey would do this for everything. So I'd like to have him solving his biggest problem, which is himself. So he's just the same as the conventional science guys. He solves everything, but he cannot solve himself. So someone asked me an example of someone who looks like the monkey. And then I told him that there are millions of people like that. So this technique that you said, but see, this process of coherence is later, is after all that, happens after that. But, for example, in terms of, the time that he goes and talks to the psychology,
que na prática isso não funciona.
It doesn't work in a practical way.
Ele tem receio de pensar do jeito que o psicólogo pensa.
In the same way that the psychologist thinks.
Esse medo dele é mais do que a síndrome do pânico.
So this fear is bigger than the panic syndrome. That's why he leaves all the things. But the first thing that he doesn't have is the basic coherence. The blonde girl from the movie always tells him all the things. And the other lady used to tell him. And
o cara fora de hora,
it didn't work.
Do contexto,
and he was, out of the context, worried about, small things. Oh, this is not right. It's serious. So he had a serious issue to be solved, and it became secondary. The consciential therapy shows that and gives us this technique to observe all the details. Do you remember in the last year you gave us a suggestion for the teachers from the advanced one to attend the therapy, and
Na verdade, somos 7, mas 5 mais ativos.
We are in 7 people in this team, and 5
equipe do ICP1 foi. Então, primeiro a gente
went and took those therapies, but before we applied all the techniques in order to give an example to others. But in the future, I tell you, it's going to be we're going to have a very big value in this situation. We have here something really big thing. It's the final value. So you are teachers. So they're going to help the consciential therapists. You haven't thought about that.
Exatamente isso, que com a troca que nós tivemos,
so we had an exchange already
das técnicas e práticas de outro, enriqueceu os dois lados. Todo mundo começou
was again for both sides. It was a good game. Some of the consciential therapists should teach.
Aquela norma que você colocou que não era o ideal.
But you told that it's not an ideal to have this condition.
O Nário fez essa observação.
It's not ideal when they do both activities at the same time. But
o que eles observaram na gente,
it can be done.
Todos eram professores.
But think.
Vocês, a consciência terapia, as ICs permanecerem firmes nisso.
Think about if the ICs, they maintain this work. Think how they are going to be in some years.
Que a gente associa o fato imediato.
So the analogical association is good. It is the best thing that the teachers do.
vocês docentes vão chupar
there's going to be in the future a condition that you are going to exchange
e dos trafores é justamente essa técnica, porque a gente está às vezes narrando uma coisa qualquer e pergunta,
the strong trait of a teacher is to make analysis,
a gente não usa, que é essa técnica que você comentou
which is the same that
essa observação. Você ia para casa,
this technique that you said, told us today.
Disso eu já mostrei no turno mental somático.
So I have shown this in the mental somatic turn. We have to examine the details. The ideal is when the person starts doing that the way I explain it, and the person has to examine everything before. It's very impressive. But another thing that's going to happen is the value that the person gains is going to increase.
Ela desagregar o desvalor. Aquilo que não tem valor que ela vai jogar fora.
So the added value is going to be very big.
Quer dizer, eu podia ir reto aqui, não.
So the person is going to realize the foolish things that he or she does. So the person goes to Buenos Aires via Paris. So when the person applies this technique, the person is going to eliminate this kind of though-sanity. It's an extraordinary gain. So you have to think in a situation like that. But the place, the date, the time, the condition, the person, the context.
Sempre eu garanto. Se a pessoa nunca fez isso, vai ter coisa para ela retificar.
Se ela tiver
autocrítica, pós-moética,
what the person has to have to change.
Sempre ela vai achar alguma coisa.
So the person is going to find in all those conditions something to be changed. Sometimes we create habits that are not positive, they are wrong. And the person starts repeating the habit.
Considerada insignificante ou desprezível, ou pelo menos você menospreza. Não é só despreza, mas menospreza.
Underestimate
então, você já, não, isso aí não.
Wrong thing,
então, a hora que ela
you start improving
a ver
it.
Isso,
so by the time that the person starts to realize about that, so the person starts to be suspicious about herself or himself. And the person starts asking, where am I? How am I spending all this time with the wrong things? It's not easy. I think the process that I'm talking about must be studied by Consius, the IC professor here in Leatherby. So within this line of coherence, spirit, and convergence, I want to know if there is a relation with the flow of interassistentiality. Well, I'm going to tell you something definitive. This theory places the observer close to understand the synchronicity. Without this theory, the synchronicity would be far away from the researcher's comprehension. The researcher needs this coherence to understand this synchronicity. The synchronicity is the coherence, factual and parafactual coherence in a very big expression. So with this, we answer your question in a cosmophysiological way. So when we start to observe these facts and parafacts, well, the person starts to understand the process of the synchronicity. So it's the way that that the person gets in a flow in order to make assistance. Yes, and another thing that the person is going to give value to the positive thing and is going to eliminate the accidents. And as I told you, the person is going to eliminate the burr. By the time that the person is doing things, he or she is going to improving it, getting dirty and getting clean all the things, and disorganizing and organizing everything. So, like my wife, she talks to me and we are doing something at home, and she says, oh, in your case it's different because everything is clean, and that's it. So my things, when I am, everything is organized. There's no changes. If there's a little hair in a different place, I know. Do you understand that? So, for example, my bathroom. My bathroom is, pay attention, it has a kind of a marble. It's kind of a mirror. It's all around the walls and also on the floor. It's white. So when you get there, if you get there and you take a look, if there's something wrong, it can be seen because it's very wide. So it's get my daily procedures even better. It's part of my organization because someone in my age has a better organization. So this bathroom was built on purpose. This marble is very expensive, and it was the last, when I went to the store, it was the last part of the storage, and then I bought everything. And, you know, we bought big marble plates. And it was just my dream. It was my golden dream. This is the best building ever around here. It was made by Everton, the architect. Everything is to get easier the consecutive procedure. One after other, the chain reaction of factors that you determine. That's the right way. But another thing, serious, just to tell you, it's good for Loshi to know that for those who want to get into this correct procedure is to have isolation. Sometimes the person must have isolation in order to think without any external influence. Otherwise, the person wants to, you know, to agree with someone in the house. So, by being isolated, the person is going to help more people. In terms of definition, the understanding, the dedication of things that must be done in order to get renovation.
As pontuações da tertúlia de hoje foram 113 assinaturas no livro de presença, 14 perguntas presenciais, 12 perguntas respondidas online, 54 votos presenciais, 17 votos online. Hoje temos 5 recados. Tatiana convida os professores de Conscienciologia, Júlio, Pai, Biografia, Carla, Igor, SP3, Uberaba, Maria Isabel, Governança, Unicim, Maria Elisa, Congresso e Serenologia. E antes, Eduardo vai falar sobre amigos e
enciclopédia. And before that, Eduardo is going to talk about Encyclopedia France.
Boa tarde a todos. Nós gostaríamos de convidar aquelas pessoas interessadas em ajudar aqui na Enciclopédia da Conscienciologia a se tornarem amigos da Enciclopédia. Tá? O amigo da Enciclopédia é hoje, aqui dentro da comunidade cosmoética conscienciológica internacional, o principal projeto de incentivo, manutenção da Enciclopédia da Conscienciologia, que envolve as despesas aqui do tertuliário, do holociclo e da holoteca. Todos os amigos da enciclopédia vão concorrer no dia 1º de agosto a um laptop, que eu vou ler a configuração para vocês, um laptop da marca Asus, com tela de LED, 1.6 GHz de processador, memória RAM de 2 GB, 160 GB de HD, vem com Windows 7, com tela widescreen, bateria de 4.5 horas e com webcam. Então esse laptop vai ser sorteado entre todos os amigos da enciclopédia. E também 10 cursos avançados de campo com EPICONs de várias ICs, por exemplo, o curso Práticas do Parapsiquismo Avançado, um curso de 10 dias doado pelo IIPC. Vai ser sorteado aqui no dia 1º, o curso Balanço Existencial, 40 manobras energéticas, 2 vagas para o curso Lexicologia, ECP1, ECP2, acoplamentário e o Teoria e Prática da Inversão Existencial, além de um curso doado também pela pré-IC de Pesquisologia. Então a inscrição é R$ 720, a pessoa pode pagar em até 12 vezes os cartões Visa, Amex e Mastercard. E em breve, agora no mês de julho ainda, nós vamos estar lançando um novo site com mais facilitações do ponto de vista da inscrição e da renovação. Até o dia 1º de agosto, a gente então sugere as pessoas a fazer as suas inscrições aqui na recepção do CAEC, ou fazer contato com a gente por e-mail, onde a pessoa pode mandar os cheques cruzados nominal ao CAEC para o endereço do CAEC. Muito obrigado.
Thank you very much.
Pessoal, boa tarde.
Good afternoon.
A Reaprendência, ela está com um projeto de gravação de filmagem dos temas do glossário da Conscienciologia. Esse projeto ele visa atender a demanda de pessoas novas que estão em contato com a Conscienciologia pela internet, ou os novos tertulianos
or the new tertulians who are just meeting the Conscienciology science and have doubts about the terms and the technical neologisms. So in partnership with Communicons, we're going to make the recording of these terms or neologisms. And for that, we need teachers who intend to help in these recordings. So the teacher has 1 minute to define a neologism and give an example. It's a very interesting work because it will be available online for everyone to access, and any Conscienciology teacher can participate. It doesn't take too much time, and it helps in the advertisement of Conscienciology. So if you have any doubts or if you want to help in this project, you can contact me or any of your Reaprendência volunteers. You can even send an email for contato@reaprendencia.org. I would just like to remind you that this recording is going to be made next Friday and Saturday morning. As we don't have a more specific course, we are unveiling this information, and you could talk to me to choose the theme that's going to be recorded. Okay? Thank you very much.
Boa tarde a todos. Meu convite aqui é em nome da Reaprendência para o Programa de Aceleração da Erudição, o PRAE, nessa turma de biografias. Então,
Acceleration of Erudition.
A turma começa agora no dia 25
so we are going to have a new group in July 25, and there's a little alteration.
Foi incluída uma aula inaugural no dia 25 de julho. Então, a aula do Confúcio vai ser no dia 1º de agosto. Essa primeira obra de biografia é o Autêntico Confúcio. É a primeira das obras que vai ser estudada nesse ciclo. E as outras aqui são, por exemplo, o Pitágoras, Leonardo da Vinci, Emanuel Swedenborg, Olympe Gouges, que é uma pessoa até pouco conhecida, mas teve um papel relevante, importante aí na Revolução Francesa. O Gandhi, o Charles Darwin, o Sérgio Vieira de Mello, aquele brasileiro que trabalhou na ONU,
the Brazilian who works
a Hannah Arendt, que tem sido bastante discutida aí no
United Nations, Hannah Arendt, that has been discussed during the tertulia, and J.K. Juscelino Kubitschek.
Essa primeira obra aqui, ela, no dia 1º de julho, ela já vai ser debatida. Então as pessoas devem adquirir a sua obra antes e já ler essa obra com antecedência.
So no
site da Repreendência tem uma entrevista com o Hernani, que é o propositor do PAI.
On our website, we have an interview with Hernani,
the motivos pelos quais foi criado o PAI, para ajudar principalmente os professores a conseguir fazer um esclarecimento mais assertivo, mais profundo, quando debate algumas das questões, alguns dos temas que são abordados pela Conscienciologia. Então, para ter um conhecimento de causa, além simplesmente das leituras dos tratados ou das obras da Conscienciologia, para ter uma abordagem mais ampla. Fica então o convite para o dia 25 de julho, começa essa nova turma. As maiores informações, contato@repreendência.org,
for further information, we have to call the CIX reception.
Boa tarde a todos, tertulianos, teletertulianos,
tertulians and tertulians and intermissivists and families. We would like to invite you to participate
ECP3, que é um curso de imersão. Esse é o sexto ECP3. É um curso sem pré-requisitos, que acontece no final de semana, conta com 2 campos bioenergéticos e com debates abertos. Esse ano, o curso vai acontecer em Uberaba, Minas Gerais, de 3 a 5 de setembro, sob a coordenação do EPICOM, Mário Oliveira.
Então, a gente convida todos aqueles que estão nos ouvindo, que estiverem interessados em participar desse grande curso lá em Uberaba, o ECP3, que mandem e-mail para scp3@iipc.org.br. Essas pessoas também que nos ouvem no site das tertúlias, no canto à direita, na parte de nossas instituições, podem ali clicar no IIPC e procurar o centro educacional mais próximo à sua localidade para efetuar as inscrições e obterem maiores informações.
Boa tarde a todos. A governança chegou
The governance has reached a new step. We have had 2 meetings with consultants and 9 other meetings with inner groups of work. The result is here. We would like to thank you for the participation of those who participated until the end, and it was very good. Our work is settled. We're going to print and prepare these documents so they can be available in Holoteca for you to research. And the GT, the group of work called Gestation, is very good when compared to the Interphysical Society's groups focused in our paradigm of Conscienciology. For the participants of this work, we are very satisfied, and we acknowledge all the professionals who are helping us. Today we have the settlement step, and in thesis, the theoretical work has already been done. From now on, we intend to
elencando as propostas dos 3 grupos de trabalho, elegendo as prioridades
of the 3 groups, elect the priority, and
a partir de agora estaremos implementando na prática
the next council of the Conscienciological Institutions.
Os demais voluntários.
For this moment, we invite all the other volunteers,
histórico na CCCI.
Because this is an historical moment
deve levar mais
to
outro tanto na implementação
ICCC.
entre os ajustes até ter modelo mais
It's going to take some time
until
we have adjustments and the ideal political model. We count on your presence this afternoon. Thank you very much.
Boa tarde.
Good afternoon.
Em nome da Associação Aracê, comunicamos que estaremos realizando o primeiro Congresso Internacional de Serenologia no Campus Aracê em junho de 2011.
Portanto, estamos
aqui convidando a todos os pesquisadores interessados no assunto a enviarem os seus trabalhos com data prevista até o final de agosto de 2010 para análise e seleção para apresentação nesse congresso. Então, fica a todos esse convite para o primeiro congresso de Serenologia. E quem tiver interesse, envie seu e-mail para csi@arac.org. Obrigado.
O verbete eleito para amanhã é avanço da razão, especialidade autodiscernimentologia. Obrigado e boa tarde a todos.